Playlists are a great way to group together the video content that you produce either on your channel or you collect from other channels. I'll show you how simple it is to create a playlist and organise your videos. Here we go. So playlists is one of the features that's not yet been migrated over to the YouTube Studio, the beta version there. So this is how it works within Video Manager. You go to Playlists and you just simply click on New Playlist. By default it's going to be a public one. Let's say LinkedIn collection. We'll change that to unlisted so that potentially I can share it with other people, but they would have to have the direct link and it won't be therefore visible if someone comes to your page, etc. So there's no videos in there at the moment, so what you need to do is edit. There is an opportunity to add a description if you wish, or you can just simply get on with adding videos. So if I say add videos, you can either search for it. If it's going to be through your own YouTube videos, that's a useful option to click on. So your YouTube videos, and if I select ones related to LinkedIn, these ones here, for example, let's select those two and say add videos. And then we just need to wait till it's refreshed. Okay, so now there's an opportunity to create some playlist settings. And you can choose whether or not you order them in the order they're added. So the newest added goes to the top, or the most popular goes to the top, or you just select manual. There's the auto add option where you can set some rules. If the title contains LinkedIn, you could add that rule and save that. And you can say add 6 recent videos that match this rule and say done. You can actually edit the order in which they appear just by clicking next to each particular video where it says more, and you can say move to the top or move to the bottom. So it's a bit of a one at a time. You know, if you've got one that you want to be second, then you have to move it to the top and then move another one above it, that kind of thing. But once that playlist is there, you can say play all, and it will play one at a time through each video in the list. You can take that playlist as unlisted or public. You can just copy that and share it. On your dashboard, on your channel page, you can also choose to add playlists to it. So here we can click on any that I've already got. So I've got some created playlists. There's already actually a LinkedIn one there, but these are published on my page. So a new visitor comes to the page and they can scroll down and see various lists to choose from. And if you wanted to add other content from other providers to your own playlists, you could do that as well. So if I now search for LinkedIn tips or LinkedIn, click through to the video, and you look for this icon here, which is save to or add to. Click on that, and if I now put that in LinkedIn collection, that'll be added to that other playlist that I created a short while ago. So now if I return to Video Manager and then say Playlists, I can see all the ones I've created, the most recent one at the top. Let's click through to that. And here I can say, again, edit. And that'll allow me to add or remove any videos, reorder them in some way, again by selecting that one and moving it to the top. Lots of different options. So that's playlists on YouTube. There may well be changes fairly soon with the way they're organised within the new YouTube Studio Beta, but that's how you work with them today. It's a great idea. Even if you don't have that much video content yourself, if you have relevant content you can put into playlists from elsewhere, why not do that? I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.